I have a fun little project today, and the only wood you need is a block. So I've been working on my Minecraft series, and I've got a bunch of these little blocks lying around, and I was like, hey, let's make something simple, just a fun little project today. So what you're gonna need here is a block of wood, ideally some googly eyes. We need a little eye bolt, some super glue, and you don't need it, but it's gonna be easier with a drill. So what I'm gonna do here is start off by putting this right in the center of one of the sides. Now what I could do is make an X, find the center, pre-drill a hole, stick it in, or I could just kind of find the center like that, push down hard, and start to twist it in there. But whatever way you decide to do it, you want to get that in there. Like so. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a face on here. I'll do two of these just to show you some different examples. First, I'll just do a nice simple one. I'll use two of these little eyes, and I've got some Dollar Tree super glue. This stuff is amazing. If you haven't seen my video on Dollar Tree items for woodworkers, make sure you check that out. So all I'm going to do is put a drop where I want my eyes to go. I'll say there and there. And this does set pretty quickly. It's a gel, which makes it not very runny, which is why I love it. So I'll stick an eye there, and I'll stick an eye there, just like that. Now this next part you could do with screws or nails, up to you, but I'm going to give this little guy some arms and legs. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to use screws. I'll flip them on his side. I'm going to kind of go around the center. And again, you don't need to use a drill. I'm just going to do it to make my life easier. I'm just going to put it in kind of like that. And do it on the other side. Kind of line it up the same. Get that started a little bit. Look, he's got arms, or they could be like Frankenstein bolts if you're going for something like that. Maybe you could paint this thing green. Boom, you got a little Frankenstein. I'm gonna give him some legs, just because why not? Give him some legs. So I'm gonna do kind of like I just did, but I'm gonna come in from the bottom. I'm just gonna kind of get them both started here. Go. I'm going to put these in. A little more with that one. There we go. How adorable is that? Now, what do you do with it? So a little tip here, if you are making this with young kids, take time, pre-drill the holes for the top bolt and the screws, and then they can just put it in by hand. Boom, there's a little guy in my keychain. Your kid could make something like this, hang it from their backpack. It's adorable. Now I feel like a nice little touch to add here. There we go. I actually took my son to see the new Minions movie today, so it's kind of got me thinking about that one-eyed minion dude. So we could do one with one big old eye on it. Just something different. You could paint it yellow and it'd actually look like a minion. Put that on there. Then do the same thing with the screws. So this may not be the typical woodworking video you're used to seeing from me, but hey, this is a fun little thing you can do with your kids or your grandkids. So grab a few blocks of wood, a little bit of hardware, have a little contest, see who can make the best one. And as always, make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next woodworking video.